check out what Google tells about you. I always say to my customers, Google yourself. So when you Google yourself, you will figure out these little words above which tells right. That's what this person is all about. When you Google me, you will see personal brand, some branding and some other things, because I am connected with every single topic which I present in my show. So that's another reason to build the show very strategically and present people with right tech and keywords. So when you are Googleable, you need to be Googleable with your level of expertise. So that's why check what you're known for on Google.